Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AGG token. Name of the token is AGG, and that is also the ticker symbol. This is an ERC20 token, and it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this is a brand new token. It's an Ethereum token, ERC20 token. You can find it on Etherscan. Now, according to Etherscan, they only have 8 holders, so this token is not even available on Uniswap yet. 18 decimal places on this token, and max total supply is 10 billion AGG tokens. Now, it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting March 18th at 8 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC at gate.io. Then open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then on March 18th, go into the trade section and search AGG, and then simply just buy the token. Now, the A is short for alpha, and you can find their webpage at alphagg.io. If you want to find their white paper, it is at whitepaper.alphagg.io. Now, if Gate is not available in your country, which it's not available in everyone's country, since this is an Ethereum token, around the same time it gets listed on Gate, it'll most likely be also listed on Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange. So you could fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, trade your ETH for the AGG token using the contract address that you can find at alphagg.io or on their Etherscan. Just make sure you have the right contract address, obviously. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. Now, how the token is split up, we got 20% going to private sales, 45% community, 15% team. It says 1% initial, 8% marketing, 8% future contribution reserves, and 3% ecosystem partners. So AGG is a pioneering token at the heart of the Web3 gaming and IP-based entertainment landscape. As a Web3 toolbox provider, AGG's primary purpose is to connect various IP-based game titles, facilitating innovation within the gaming industry. It offers versatile utility, enabling users to engage in activities like purchasing NFTs, securing season passes, participating in INOs, accessing early content, and building digital showcases. AGG is poised to transform the gaming experience, and with its strategic partnerships and robust tokenomics, it stands as a key player in empowering both IP fans and gamers. It acknowledges the unique preferences of these groups, offering a tailored framework that aligns with their distinct tastes and represents a significant advancement in the world of Web3 gaming. We have a dedicated game provider partner, ACT Games, which was founded in 2019 and is a prominent and innovative gaming development studio specializing in creating world-famous IP-based titles. With a strong foothold in the gaming industry, ACT Games has consistently delivered engaging and high-quality gaming experiences that captivate players worldwide. They are renowned for their expertise in crafting games that revolve around popular intellectual properties, offering a unique blend of creativity and familiarity to their audiences. The AGG single token model is poised to revolutionize and empower IP-based titles by unifying diverse gaming experiences under a single versatile digital asset. Through the AGG token, players and enthusiasts can seamlessly interact with various game titles, transcending traditional boundaries. This unified approach ensures that players can explore, collect, trade, and engage with their favorite IP-based characters and worlds across a multitude of games, all using a single currency. The AGG model not only simplifies in-game transactions, but also fosters a collaborative gaming ecosystem that benefits both players and game studios. By providing a universal currency and consistent experience, AGG opens up new avenues for fans and gamers to immerse themselves in the captivating universe of their beloved intellectual properties, enhancing their enjoyment and participation in the world of gaming. So the future of digital asset ownership is becoming a beacon to digital collectors. So there's going to be NFT ownership involved in this GameFi. The benefits of working with IP-based game titles. They have a whole section about that because there's 2.9 billion IP fans and 3.8 billion Web2 gamers. And yeah, then we add NFTs to that. So investors poured over $7.6 billion into Web3 gaming in 2022. So this is definitely a recognizable field. So AGG's innovative approach to the dynamic realm of Web3 gaming is meticulously blending and calculated finesse and avant-garde ingenuity, comprised of a bunch of gamers and seasoned aficionados of prior Web3 titles. AGG embarks on a journey to craft game-specific frameworks for digital collectibles or NFTs and an array of Web3 features tailored to the gamer's unique genres and categories, drawing insights from collective wisdom of seasoned players. So they have a full roadmap, white paper that has tokenomics, roadmap, all that type of stuff here, and it says basically the main use cases of the AGG token is the ability to buy NFTs on the marketplace, ability to purchase season passes from Zoid's Wild Arena, ability to participate in INOs for upcoming IP-based titles on the Ronin Launchpad, and the ability to participate in early access to IP-based titles, and ability to form a digital showcase. So in conclusion, AGG empowers the entire IP-based titles game universe, serving as a form of currency within the marketplace. Go check this token out. Alphagg.io is the webpage that's going to have all the links. Ethereum token that's going over to Gate March 18th, and then most likely Uniswap around the same date. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.